I wish I knew how to quit you.
Well, yes, but this is not Brokeback Mountain, it's MoviePass. Some MoviePass customers, who are trying to be former customers, are chiming in on social media about how they just can't quit the movie subscription service. This user tweeted, "Heads up to anyone who canceled MoviePass. Surprise! You didn't cancel MoviePass and now you're automatically enrolled in the new plan." Or this one, who tweeted, "I canceled my MoviePass account 2 months ago. Leave me alone." There's even a Twitter handle called MoviePass Law, which says it's filing a MoviePass class action lawsuit. As Vox explains, you may have actually signed up for a new plan if you went into your MoviePass app and saw a screen like this. Clicking I accept enrolled you in a new plan. If you read the fine print in a follow-up email, you would have seen that it says, quote, "If you had previously requested cancellation prior to opting in, your opt-in to the new plan will take priority, and your new account will not be canceled." It's been no day at the movies for the troubled company, who suffered from system outages, financial troubles, and glitchy service, among other things. MoviePass hasn't commented on the apparent re-enrollment issue yet.